Hello everybody, this is Marçal from SOLTEC. We are here at ISE Barcelona 2026 and I would like to take a moment to introduce our newest product. This is a tabletop solution manufactured here in our factory in Barcelona, and this is a foldable product, manual foldable. It does not need any integration in the table, it's tabletop. What features does this product offer? Then we have a conferencing system with a third party, in that case Audio Technica. It has a built-in PC with a Windows license, and it comes with a software for conferencing. The software, it's called Mashura, it's from a third party as well, and it helps you take care of the conferencing and all that you need to organize during the conference. Sharing files, proceeding with votings, etc. This is a new product, as said. We've got it here in 15 inches, but we are offering different sizes in smaller and bigger, depending on the project. So feel free to visit our website, www.soltec-ep.com, for more information.